coffee's cold, the ink is dry, the city breathes a heavy sigh. I saw a ghost inside the glass of all the years I let go past. We trade our gold for paper dreams and stitch the sky with broken seams. But in the silence of the room, I see a flower break the gloom. And oh, the clock is just a wheel. And oh, the hurt is how we heal. So let the roof cave in tonight. We'll build a castle from the light. We are the beggars and the kings. We are the wind beneath the wings. Don't close your eyes, don't look away. We are the architects of rain, washing the dust of yesterday down the drain. You keep your secrets in a jar, buried beneath the falling star. But gravity is just a law until you learn to fly and thaw. The static noise, the neon glow, it's not the only way to go. And oh, the fear is just a game. And oh, it's never ever late. So let the roof cave in tonight. We'll build a castle from the light. We are the beggars and the kings. We are the wind beneath the wings. Don't close your eyes, don't look away. We are the architects of rain, washing the dust of yesterday down the drain. Hold on when the ground stops shaking. Hold on when the dawn is breaking. You are not the mistakes you made. You are the fire, not the shade. You are the fire, not the shade. So let the roof cave in tonight. We'll build a castle from the light. We are the beggars and the kings. We are the wind beneath the wings. Don't close your eyes, don't look away. We are the architects of rain, washing the dust of yesterday down the drain. Washing the dust of yesterday yesterday down the drain.